In this video, we are going to learn how to create a forming tool. So let's start. So first of all, I'm taking a front plane and we'll take one rectangle here, center rectangle. Now we'll define the dimension. The total dimension I'm taking here 50. Second side we define that total is 5. Exit. Now we'll take extrude command. Here we'll define to mid plane and making total depth to 50 and OK. Now again we'll select the front plane, click on sketch and we'll create one more rectangle. This time we're taking corner rectangle. While maintaining this rectangle with origin center. Now we're defining the size of rectangle. This is 4 and total this is 20. Exit. Now we'll extrude it, keeping it mid plane, total 20. Do OK. Now we'll apply fillet on the corners. So we'll take fillet tool and specify 2.5 radius value. We'll select this edge and select all the similar edges. Do OK. Now again we'll take fillet command. We'll select these edges and making a radius value of 3. Do OK. We'll select this face. We'll take convert entity to make a rectangle on this and do OK. Now we'll exit. Now we'll cut this part while taking extrude cut command. Do OK. Now we'll go to sheet metal and we'll take forming tool. Here we have to define one stopping face and face to remove. So stopping face, I'm selecting the bottom face of the part where my part will be stopped, and the things we have to remove, I'm selecting the upper face and do OK. Now we have to save this file as a forming tool. We'll go to file, save as. So we'll select here form tool. So it will be open the forming tool folder. Now here we'll save the file. Let's define rectangular form and I'll save it. Now let's see by applying this into a new sheet part. So we'll take a new file, part OK. Here I'm taking front plane. We'll make one rectangle to create the sheets. Exit and take a base splines command. Do OK. Sheet is created. Now we'll go to design library. Again we'll go to design library and we'll go to forming tool, and here we have that option rectangle form. We drag and drop on the sheet metal part and do OK. Like that way we can apply a forming tool to a sheet metal part, and we have learned how to create the forming tool in this video. If you like this video, subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching this video.